Pin-up card, dude. This is a trip I'm taking with my dad to Mount Shasta. Should be coming up any time now. This is some woods and all that. Here it is. We'll just do it. We'll do it as soon as possible. Let's see. I'm not sure I can see it over here. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Sorry to keep you guys waiting and all that. Let's see. Okay, here's a little turn and all that. There's some more woods. Oh, here we are. That's I got a picture, Dad. I got a picture. It's pretty good. Very beautiful. Very beautiful indeed. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.